The only other thing that could happen that would slow this down would be the US coming out and lowering interest rates first. But that would also cause a squeeze because US Treasuries would no longer be paying as much. So that rotation might start to happen. If people felt like Japan was also going to raise at the next meeting, which people do, if we were to lower interest rates, people would start to, because markets are 6 month, forward facing. What people believe is going to happen in the next 6 months, they price in today. So if they believed over the next 6 month period that Japan's bonds would trade higher than US bonds, they would start to rotate to be able to get that upswing, right? So that's the only wild card here that the US could throw in this if we had an emergency meeting and we lowered interest rates. But I think even then the spread tightens between Japanese bonds and our returns, and we see the unwind happen anyway. If they don't unwind, or if they don't raise rates in Japan, their currency is going to continue to depreciate. They're going to move into hyperinflation, which will look great on their stock market, but the cost of living for people there is going to be significantly more expensive. And they're going to protect their currency. That's what all central banks do. So they are going to have to raise interest rates at some point. Many of those at the Bank of Japan have already come out and said that they need to be around 2%. And they've projected that they will be methodical in that, raising 25 basis points at the next 4 meetings or the next 6 meetings, however you want to put it out there. If oil spikes like I think it's going to, they're going to be backed into a corner where they have to move. And then we get the full rollout of everything that I've been talking about. And a lot of people are saying, it's dead, it's a dead theory, this, that, or the other. I mean, I've been pretty on point with a lot of the calls that I've made. I'm not perfect. I have a good batting average. So I'm confident that the perfect storm does play out, that we do see significantly higher prices for XRP.